Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to show multiple slicer selected values in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first thing I will add a one column chart from Power BI Visual Gallery. And let me adjust the size of this visual. And from data table on x-axis, I will add a region. And on y-axis, I will add a total sales, sum of total sales. So as you can see here, let me enable a data level also. So you can see the total sales by region. Now I will add a one slicer and I will adjust the size of the slicer and I'll place it here somewhere. And I will add a column business segment. So as you can see the four business segment. And let me make it all selected in setting selection and I'll make it and I'll disable this. So if I'll select the accessories, now you can see the total sales by region for accessories. If I select the bike, so it will be the total sales for bike. If I selected both, so you can see total sales by region for the accessories and bike. So for example, if I selected accessories and bike, I want to display this to here. Whatever I have selected from the slicer, I want to display here. To do this, I will write a one measure. Actually, I'll add a one new measure. And here my measure name is selected business segment. I'll come to the next line and here I will use a concatenate x function and the first parameter will be I'll say the values is a DAX function which returns a unique value. So I'll say order and business segment. So this will return actually table. This will return actually unique business segment. Then I'll say comma and it is saying expression. So my expression is also business segment, comma. I'll come to next line and here is asking for separator. So I'll put a comma in double quote, comma space, double quote close. Now this is optional actually, order by. So you let me put actually the business segment, comma, and here you can see the sorting order ascending. I'll say ascending and bracket close. Now accept this calculation and now I'll press escape and I will add a one data card here and I'll place it on the top and this is newly created measure, so I'll add this to data card. So as you can see, now I have selected accessories and bike. You can see the two thing here, accessories and bike. If I select a components, so you can see the accessories, bike and component. If I select all clothing, so you can see all four business segments are displayed here. Okay. Now, for example, I've removed, you can see the bike only and each business segment is separated by comma. But if something is not selected, like if nothing is selected, it is still displaying all four business segments. So I want to display the message, nothing is selected or something like that. So I'll make the modification in this calculation, in this measure, selected business segment. So I'll add a one new line and here I will write a if statement. If is filtered, then column name business segment. If business segment is filtered, then execute this part. Okay, here comma is required. Execute this part. Otherwise, in the else, you can just display not selected. Okay, now bracket close. Accept this major, and now you can see not selected because I have not selected anything from the slicer. If I select, so you can see here accessories and bike, so on. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.